Let us chant Om 3 times. Take a full breath in, breathe out. गुरुभ्यो नमः महद्भ्यो नमः परमऋषिभ्यो नमः। Slowly and gradually open your eyes. Let us start body rotation. Breathe in full, breathe out, bend forward and down, breathe in right and back, breathe out left and down, breathe in right and back, breathe out left and down, in right and back, out left and down. Now opposite, in left and back, out right and down, in left and back, out right and down, in left and back, out right and down. Relax, slowly come up. Take a full breath again in, breathe out, relax. Keep your right palm on your tummy to make sure that the stomach is going in and out while doing Kapalbhati. So, we are going to do Kapalbhati. Normal breath in, breathe out. Now, start Kapalbhati. 1. Squeeze the tummy, breathe out forcefully. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Keep your right palm on your thigh. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Just watch your breath. Relax the shoulders, relax your face. Second round. Keep your right palm on your tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Observe the sensations and observe your breath. Normal breathing. Relax. Let us do third round. 1, 2, forcefully. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Relax the face and shoulders. Relax your body, spine erect. முதுகு தண்டுவடம் மட்டும் நிமிர்ந்திருக்கட்டும். Now let us move the shoulders and hands. Lift your both hands up. Keep your hands in front. Move your fingers first. Close it, open it. Close it, open it. Keep on breathing. Don't hold the breath. மூச்சு பிடிக்க வேண்டாம். சாதாரண மூச்சு. இப்போ கையை மல்லாந்து பிடிக்கலாம். Palms open up towards the roof. Now close it, open it. Close it, open it. Tightly keep the fingers and open. Tightly keep open. Tight, open. Tightly keep open. Continue. Now palms facing each other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Tightly close the fingers, make a fist and open it. Now keep the palms opposite sides, facing opposite. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Now, move the wrist movement. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise, opposite direction. Keep on breathing. Do not hold the breath. மூச்சு பிடிக்க வேண்டாம். சாதாரண மூச்சு. We have a tendency to hold the breath, but do not hold the breath. Now 5 fingers together. Elbow movements. Fold it, open it. Open the fingers. Fold it, open it. Fold it, open it. Fold it, open it. Fold, open. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, shoulder movements. Breathe in, lift your both elbows up, go back and down. Breathe in, up and back, down. Do it 5 times clockwise. மூச்செடுத்து மேலே, மூச்சு விட்டு கீழே. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. In and out. Now opposite. Breathe in, back and up. Breathe out, front and down. Continue. Again 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now keep your both hands by the sides. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Fully, slowly down. Breathe in. Stretch your hands. Fill your lungs. Breathe out very slowly. Once the breath is fully out, hands are on the floor. Breathe in. Lift your hands up. Both palms together. Stretch it. Namaste. Lift up. Up. Now breathe out. Again. Breathe in. Up. Together. Breathe out. Slowly down. Relax. Now, both palms in front of you. Together. Breathe in. Together. Breathe out there. Again. Breathe in. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe out. Together. Breathe in. Expand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe out. And drop your hands. Relax. Take a full breath in. Relax the shoulders and face. Now keep your both hands on the knee and we are going to lift the shoulders up till the ears. Breathe in. Lift the shoulders. മൂച്ചെടുത്ത് തോൾപ്പട്ടെ രണ്ട് മേലെ കാതു പക്കത്തില്. Breathe in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe out. Elbows are going down and keeping on the legs. Slowly down. Again, breathe in. Lifting the clavicle area up, holding the breath in. Horizontal expansion for the lungs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe out. Slowly down. Relax. Normal breath in. Breathe out. Once more. Breathe in. Up. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe out. Slowly go down. Drop your hands and relax. Take a full breath in, breathe out. Now we will do butterfly. Both feet together. Spine erect. Straighten the body. Now we will start. 20 times. Move the knees up and down. Titli Asana, butterfly. Normal breathing, spine erect, head straight. Breathe. Inhale and exhale normally. Only the knees are going up and down. As much as possible, that's all. Minimum 20 times we have to do. After 20 times, relax and keep your right feet on your left feet and do a massage. Give a massage for the feet. A good massage. Full feet. Foot massage. Sole of the foot. Give pressure on it and give massage. Relax. Now the other leg. Give good pressure. Relax. Sit comfortably and easily. Now, take a full breath in. Breathe out. Neck movements. Look right. Tightly keep the neck tight. Breathe in and breathe out. Release. Come in front to the other side. Breathe in straight. Breathe out other side. Come in front and slowly go to the side. Front. Slowly we have. Now in front. Relax. Breathe in, lift your chin up. Breathe out, chin down to the chest. Breathe in, chin up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in straight. Now breathe out. Twist your head to right. Drop it on right side. Breathe in, up. Now drop it on left side straightly. Stretch more. Breathe in, up. Again, right. Breathe in up, breathe out left. Breathe in up, breathe out right. Breathe in up, breathe out left. Breathe in up and relax. Now, press your chin towards left. Keep your right hand on the right side of your face. Press it towards left. Give pressure, resist with the left side neck muscles. Keep breathing, take minimum 5 to 10 breaths and relax to the other side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Now from back to front. Five to 10 breaths. Then front to back. And relax. Let's do rotation now. Breathe in, breathe out. Neck rotation. Breathe in, right and back. Breathe out, left and down. Breathe in, right and back. Breathe out, left and down. In, right and back. Out, left and down. In, right and back. Out, left and down. Now opposite. In, left and back. Out, right and down. in left and back, out, right and down. In left and back, out, right and down. In left and back, out, right and down. Relax. Come up. Now move your eyeballs left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left and right hand, left and right hand. Now down, up, 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 down, up. Now rotation. Look down, go to the right corner, down. Now go to the left corner and come down from the top. Full rotation. Right corner down, right corner up, left corner up, left corner down, through the floor, the full round. You have to see the floor, sides and roof, both sides, roof and floor. Full rotation for the eyeballs. Clockwise 3 times and anti-clockwise 3 times. After clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 times, now drop your hands and blink your eyes fastly. Fastly blink your eyes. Now tightly close your eyes. Tightly close it. Slowly open. Make a big eyes. Stare up. Again tightly close, tight. Tighten the muscles, eye muscles. Again open it. Big eyes. Again tightly close it, tight. Open up. Big eyes. Again tightly close. Open up. Big eyes. Relax. Now keep your right palm on your head, center of the head, and rotate. The skin movement. தலையில skin movement நடக்கணும். நல்ல pressure கொடுத்து அப்படியே clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Feel the skin is moving. Now keep your palm there. Take a full breath in. Breathe. Now keep your palm on back of the head. Clockwise skin movements. Clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. 5 times. Relax. Now pull your ears down and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now give a gentle massage for the ears. Relax. Now pressure points. We will see the pressure points. Keep your both fingers and give pressure on the side of the temple, the head. நெத்தியோட சைடுல, கண்ணோட சைடுல இந்த இடத்துல நல்ல pressure. Give pressure. Now ironing the eyebrows. கட்ட விரல் புருவத்துக்கு கீழே, ஆள்காட்டி விரல் மேலே வச்சு அப்படியே அயனிங் தி ஐப்ரோஸ். ஐப்ரோஸை நல்ல ப்ரெஷர் கொடுத்து அப்படியே அயன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி. புருவத்துக்கு மேலே ஆள்காட்டி விரல், கீழே கட்ட விரல். நார்மல் ப்ரீதிங், சாதாரண மூச்சு. நல்ல ப்ரெஷர் கொடுத்து பண்ணணும். കട്ടുവരലുക്ക് നല്ല പ്രഷർ കൊടുത്ത് കീഴെ പുരുവത്ത് കീഴെ அப்படியே 10 times you have to do at home every day. Now keep your both இண்டெக்ஸ் ஃபிங்கர்ஸ் ஆள்காட்டி விரல் எடுத்து புருவத்துக்கு நடுவில் மேலே வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே ஒரு ப்ரெஷர் கொடுக்கணும். 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti clockwise. ஒரு ப்ரெஷர் கொடுத்து அப்படியே அந்த ஒரு கட்டிங் இருக்கும், புருவத்துக்கு சென்டரில் ஒரு சின்ன கட்டிங் இருக்கும், அந்த கட்டிங்கில் வச்சுட்டு. Now side of the eyes, this is the pressure points for the eyes. 4 pressure points. One is on the center of the eyebrows, a cutting will be there. Now the side of the eyes, now down to the eyes, on the bone there is a cutting on the middle. அந்த பள்ளத்தில் அப்படியே விரல் வச்சு நல்ல ப்ரெஷர் கொடுக்கணும். clockwise and anti clockwise 5 times. Now near the nose, by the side of the nose, tear glands பக்கத்தில் நல்ல pressure, give pressure and slight movements clockwise and clockwise. இந்த எலும்போட சைடில் நல்ல pressure. Relax. Now rotate your index finger around to the eyes, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now heat up the palm, close your eyes, tightly close, tighten the muscles, eye muscles, and cup your eyes with your palms. Feel the heat and breathe in, breathe out, relax. Take a full breath in, slowly lie down on your chest and stomach. Keep your hands as palms facing towards the floor, legs together. Breathe in, right leg up without bending your knee. Chin down and look in front. Take 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale down. Breathe in, left leg up. Stretch your leg, chin down. Feel the stretch from the toe to chin. 3 more breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale down. Now keep your both palms under the shoulders, under the shoulders, under the shoulders. Ardha Bhujangasana, half cobra. Both elbows on the floor. On the floor. Now, forehead on the floor. Heels together. Breathe in. Lift your head up. Shoulders up. Bend back. Breathe. 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 And breathe out. Inch by inch go down. Again, breathe in, lift your head up, bend back, breathe, inhale and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, go down, relax. Once more, breathe in, come up, stay there and breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and down. Slowly. Now try to lift your whole body for Purna Bhujangasana. Try to do it. Breathe in, lift your head up, shoulders up, bend back as much as possible. Heels together. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Now slowly go down inch by inch and keep your hands as pillows and relax. Toes together, heels apart. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now both hands in front. Lift your hands little up, legs little up. Stretch your body, Viparita Shalabhasana. Breathe. Do it as much as possible, that's all. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Down, keep your pillows. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, kick your back with your legs, one after the other. Now, hold your ankles, press it on the side of your hip. Press your both heels by the side of the hip. By the side of the hips. Keep breathing, stay there. Breathe, 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 breathe. Now, make an effort to lift your both knees up and head up little, as much as possible. Breathe. Minimum 5 breaths you can take here and go down slowly. Breathe out and down. You try this every day. Okay, just little bit. Go up and see how much you can do. Release your legs. Keep your hands as pillows again. Right knee, right side. Right elbow touching the right knee. Flatten your body. Inhale, exhale. Take a full breath in. Let us do Bhramari Pranayam. Breathe in. Relax. Slowly to the other side. Left knee, left side. Left elbow touching the left knee. Keep your right hand as pillow. Flatten your hip. Feel the abdomen is on the floor. Take a full breath. Breathe in. Breathe in. Relax. Straighten your leg. Roll on to the other side. We will do single leg rise. Legs together, hands close to the body, palms facing towards the floor. உள்ளங்கை தரையை நோக்கி இருக்கட்டும். Chin down towards the chest. The whole body is touching on the floor. Breathe in. Right leg up. Breathe out slowly down. Breathe in. Left leg up. Breathe out slowly down. In right. Out down. In left, out down, in right, out down, in left, out down, in right, out down, in left, out down, in right, out down, in left, out down, relax. Take a full breath in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, legs together, bridge posture. Both heels close to your back, hold your ankles. Tightly keep your hip area and breathe in, lift it up. Stay there and breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, chin down towards the chest. Inhale, exhale. Feel the lungs is filled with breath with every inhalation. Now exhale and down. Keep your both knees on your chest. Relax there. Just relax there. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, lift your head up. Breathe, 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 and head down. Hold your right knee, release your left leg. Keep your left leg down on the floor. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Lift your head up and try to touch your nose on the right knee. Breathe. Take 3 to 5 breaths. And after the 5th breath, go down slowly. Release the leg. Keep your left leg, left knee on your chest. Lift and touch your nose on the left knee. Breathe. Right leg is firmly on the floor, touching on the floor fully. The knees are going down and pressing towards the floor. Feel the stretch. After 5 breaths, release and relax. Take a full breath in, breathe out. One more breath, breathe out. Now Nadarajasana. Keep your both knees up, hands by the sides. Now look right. Keep your face towards right. Keep your knees on left side. Nadarajasana. Lying down, spinal twist. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now lift up to the other side. Look left, keeping your both knees on right side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Legs apart, hands apart. Take few deep breaths. Feel with every inhalation, stomach is going up. With every exhalation, it's going down. Abdominal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue. With every exhalation, feel you are relaxing more and more. Relax. Now, let us do Yoga Nidra. legs together, hands close to the body. We will make a fist with the hands. கை உள்ளங்கை டைட்டாக சுருட்டி பிடிக்கலாம், விரல்கள் எல்லாம் நல்லா மடித்து பிடிக்கலாம், மடிச்சிடலாம். அப்புறம் கால் விரல்கள்லாம் நல்லா ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணி டைட் பண்ணி பிடிச்சிடலாம். நான் காஃப் மசில்ஸ் ஆடுசதை டைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். knees, squeeze the knees, thighs, tighten the back, abdomen, chest and both hands, shoulders, facial muscles, tighten the face, tighten your eye muscles, lips squeezed. Breathe in full. ஆழமாக மூச்சு எடுக்கணும். மூச்சு விடும்போது வாய் திறந்து நாக்கு வெளியே போட்டு ஃபுல்லாக சத்தத்துடன் மூச்சு வெளியே. Again, started tightening from toes till the forehead. Every inch of the body, the muscles are tightened, tightened and tightened, tight, tight, tight. Breathe in full, breathe out through the mouth. Again, breathe in, tight, 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 tight. Relax, relax, relax your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax your feet. Both the foot are relaxed. Calf muscles are relaxed. Knees are relaxed. With every exhalation, feel you are dropping your body. உடம்பை தரையில் போடுற அளவுக்கு மூச்சு வெளியே விடும்போது ஃபீல் பண்ணிக்கணும். Thighs are relaxed. Hip is relaxed. Shoulders are relaxed. Whole back and chest is relaxed. Neck and face relaxed. The whole body from toe to head. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel as light as your breath. Drop your body with every exhalation. Let go all your efforts. Relax. Roll on to your right side, legs together, and slowly sit up with closed sides. Normal breath in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Bhastrika, in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Palms open up on your thighs. Spine erect. Relax the shoulders and face. Second round, hands by the sides. Normal breath in, breathe out. A deep breath, let go. Bhastrika, in, out, 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 relax. Watch your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Hands by the sides. Third round, normal breath, breathe out. Bhastrika, in, out, 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 relax. Now let us do 5 times of Bhramari Pranayam. காதோட பட்டன்ஸ் வந்து மூடுறது திறக்கிறது, மூடுறது திறக்கிறது. அந்த பிரமரி பண்ற நேரம், பிரமரி உள்ள இருந்து வண்டு மாதிரி சத்தம். பிரீத் இன் ஃபுல். பிரீத் இன். Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Just watch your breath. Observe the sensations in the body. Now, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Keep your left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra or Nasika Mudra. Keep your right thumb closing both right nostril, left with index finger and small finger. Index finger illa ring finger and small finger. Breathe out through left nostril first. Breathe in through left now. Close it. Breathe out through right. Little more time you take for breathing out. Breathe in 4 counts. Breathe out 6 counts. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, hold. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2, in. Close. Out. Continue 3 more rounds. Alternate nostril breathing. Focus in between the eyebrows. Spine must be erect. Shoulders must be relaxed. Face is relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Inhale through one nostril. Exhale through the other nostril. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. After 5 rounds, you may relax. Keep your right hand on your lap. Breathe out. Just observe the breath. மூச்சிலேயே கவனம் செலுத்தி கொஞ்ச நேரம் உட்காரலாம். Just feel how the breath is moving in and how it is going out. எப்படி மூச்சு உள்ளே வர்றது வெளியே போகிறது மட்டும் கவனம். மூச்சு காத்து தான் லைஃபே. Breath is our life, the sign of life. Just watch the breath. மூச்சு காத்து வச்சு தான் நம்மளுக்கு லைஃப் இருக்குன்னே கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். ஸோ அதுலேயே வாட்ச் பண்ணு. ஜஸ்ட் அப்சர்வ் தி பிரெத். With all respect and reverence, observe your breath. सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.